Welcome back. I'm here today at my parents' house, Kathy.
Yep, we're here.
And in a big surprising turn of events, we are completely decluttering, deep decluttering her house, your house, because they are going to probably, hopefully, fingers crossed, be moving, downsizing. We're digging in, and in this video, we are going to be going through this room here with my dad.
Yeah.
And we're going to be decluttering and all that. So,
yay. It's a big project coming up. Wow.
Not only are we going to fully declutter this room, we also have the plans to paint it and stage it so they can have their house for sale. It all comes down to if we will have enough time.
The eagle is finally going to the thrift store. They'll love it.
So sentimental, I don't even remember why I got it.
Bye. This is the staying box. This is the going box. This is the staying box. I'll organize them as we put them in here.
Going.
Wow, I'm shocked. I have to say that I probably haven't dusted here for years because I'm not up to moving every little tchotchke out of the way, so I quit dusting. They call him Flipper.
So I am shooketh right now.
Going. Where are you going to put it in the new house?
Going. Avalon Speedway. You were there in South Australia.
So, okay, I know you don't want to talk to the camera, but tell the viewers really quick why you have a ball of dirt in a film container. Because this is very interesting.
These are not dirt balls. These are clay balls. These are balls of clay that have been collected from many, many dirt oval racetracks around not only the United States of America, but Australia, New Zealand. And I rolled them all up in my little hands.
Dried them.
And I dried them, and I put the name and date.
What's really interesting about this is this very vintage Cool Whip jar.
Yes, it's a...
Careful with
I know.
clay balls.
Be careful with the clay balls.
Okay, and this is even more special because this is clay from Ascot Park Speedway, which is the oval track in Gardena, California. Grew up watching the races from the time I was a very small boy, and it even has a certificate of authenticity.
Oh my God.
Right. Keeper.
Oh my gosh. Look how important those are.
Are they important?
This is a peanut butter jar.
I used to collect book matches from everywhere that I traveled all over the world, and we're probably down to about that many, and they're going to go too.
We are going to take our time and look all this stuff up and see if it could be sold on maybe your eBay store, Mom, or something.
Yeah.
So are you getting rid of these or not?
Yeah.
We gotta watch. And you know what? These are a popular style.
Will be even more rich.
Because this was never a cup you drink out of.
That would have been a brandy sniffer or something where you took,
big
snifter.
Sniffer.
You're gonna need a bigger bin.
I know. I'm gonna pack all these. I just don't want to take the time
because we don't want it to break. Was it like an honor?
Good conduct.
Good conduct when you were in the Coast Guard.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hard to believe, I know.
Is that something you wore, like a badge kind of thing?
Well, you could, but I never did.
If you ever did anything official, would you go and wear like a uniform and stuff? When you're older, like once you're out, that's it.
Once you're out, you're out. I guess when I die, they could do a ceremony. But
because
since we're already in the Neptune thing, I guess that's not.
Grandma's already decided. This was like an official thing that he got from the Coast Guard.
Twisted.
I got sticky hands.
Yeah.
There we go. See? Honoring International Ambassador.
Okay, we can
get rid of it.
This goes.
Wow. You want to keep this?
To go with my other motor?
I'm thankful for my grandpa. That's cute.
Kept that for 6 years.
That is so cute.
That stays.
Okay. We're going to put this up here, I think, with Winter Nationals Championship Drag Races.
That's right.
1972 winner.
Chicken dinner.
Chicken dinner. You were fast back then.
Piece of the wooden deck of the U.S. Coast Guard cutter Taney, on which I served. That's a keeper.
Yeah, that's yours.
Keep that.
Oh, that was my father's, so that's got to stay. That's a go. This is a brick from the surface of the original Indianapolis Motor Speedway.
Oh my gosh. We're keeping that.
Oh, yeah. for sure. We are making progress.
We are. We're halfway through, I think.
It's an original Cromwell racing helmet, which during the 1940s and 50s, it was state-of-the-art crash helmet for race car drivers worldwide. I really like it, but I don't know where we put it in the new.
We could try to sell it.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Are you all going?
I'll go.
Keeping this?
It's going to be hard parting with that spark plug, but I guess
With the what?
spark plug.
Oh my gosh.
What about this thing?
And this is the first time you've seen all this in what, 30 years?
No. Some of it was added not that long ago.
Yeah.
So do you want to keep this bracelet? Okay. And then what about this Motorcraft?
No, that goes.
Oh, okay. They want this piece of furniture out
Yes.
Yes,
of this room for the photos.
correct.
And it's going to the thrift
So
store.
and you're not keeping the
No.
thing.
No.
Okay, so what I think we should do, which you don't have to do it, but we can just remove all those photo albums,
We can put them in this
put them in a box,
Yep.
put them in the garage or
Yep.
whatever, and then we can take those and put them just on your desk, so we can try to get that out of here. Maybe
Yep.
Grant can come over and
Yeah, we'll just stick them
help
right
move
here.
it. So this whole big furniture is going,
All the stereo stuff.
Yeah.
is keeping.
So we can wind it all up and put it all up. I know how to unplug things and put the wires together.
Get out! You know how to
I
do
do.
that?
Yes, I do.
Okay, amazing! You're getting rid of way more than I thought you would, for one, and way more than you're keeping. So.
Yeah.
This makes me have a new appreciation for all my stuff that's in closets, in bins, and even on display that we never look at.
Like
and,
you're thinking of,
and we're thinking like, why am I keeping it? Why? This is like half. You've gotten rid of over half. So
Well over half.
it's something for everyone to think about. If you don't see it, you don't use it. It's full of dust. Why keep it? You know, I've just hated that thing. Every day I just look at it. And,
that's what you said about her
now you know what my basket feels like.
That's what you said about her basket.
Yeah, nice.
Are you going?
That goes. The truth of the matter is, I really like it. Well, you know what? Somebody will want to buy that.
Oh, I've sold one already. We had two.
No, they're very valuable.
Yeah.
All right.
We could sell it
Going for sale.
because
Okay, I'm
it'll
holding
slip. It's not.
Watch me drop it down the stairs or something. And then the shelf we're going to keep for now.
Yeah.
We decided.
Yeah.
That's
It
your
is
decision.
falling apart on the back, just so you know.
No,
I think it's seen better days, but
It's seen way better days.
so all this is gonna go. Yeah, it's really trash, I think.
Trash. I wouldn't keep it.
This should go, even though Mom said to keep it.
Now, some of these pictures and frames I'm going to want to put up in the garage.
Let's not make the decision right now.
Just
Just
take it down,
to
wrap
the
it
new
up.
house and
Yeah.
make the decision.
Very careful with it and keep it until we decide what
Yeah.
we're going to do.
And
Yeah.
then just wait and
Right.
see if there's no spot, then you can sell
Yeah.
it then or whatever.
Right.
Yeah, I'm going to, take it off now, but keep it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
We're gonna keep everything in their frames for now.
Yes.
Until-
I think
until we
that's what you
decide.
should do. I don't think
That's
you should
what I
take it
think
out
we should
because
do too.
then you
Right.
gotta.
Hey, it's unanimous.
Unanimous.
We agree on something. Oh my God.
If you are currently on a decluttering and downsizing journey, please leave me a comment down below and let me know. If you need some extra resources or help, I do have a decluttering ebook on how to get started decluttering or how to stay motivated through the process. And I also have a decluttering checklist. I have all that information in the description box below if you would like to find out more about that. Here's something I drew. These are my grandparents when they were young. So drawing I did ages ago when I was in college. All of these paintings and pictures have been up here a really long time. And while I did think that there would be holes and some dirt, I didn't realize just how dirty the walls would be.
We have to patch every hole in this wall, which as you saw, there's about 100. And we have to paint.
3 days.
Yeah.
Wait.
What's today?
Friday.
Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
These gonna be
4 days.
Wednesday
We
morning.
have 4 days to do everything.
Yeah, we gotta paint this room.
Not declutter everything, but go through and get out,
Yeah.
stage it.
Should have more kids. Workers.
Well, I have plenty of kids.
Yeah, but
They don't really help
They
that
don't
much.
help yet. Not yet.
I'm gonna hand you that dirt spot down there.
Oh yeah.
I mean, we could try to clean up. I don't think it's gonna do anything.
No. Oh my gosh, some of these can just be thrown out. These pictures. Oh my gosh, here. Wait. Well, they used to do paintings, fluorescent art on Black velvet. Black velvet.
And then he has a black light right here.
Light. That was
and the black light shines onto, it's a very hippie 70s situation.
And that's,
it's actually pretty cool. Those are back in common.
Are they?
Yeah.
That was
because everything's
from
70s.
The 60s and 70s.
Everything 70s is coming back in style.
I'm going to tell you a little secret. I honestly never thought this would happen as far as them moving and also wanting to get rid of stuff. So it's a complete 180. It's a good thing. And I just find it amazing that we're able to do all this right now. Anything that my dad wanted to keep, but we didn't want to have out for the showing of the house, we decided to put into this closet or take down to the garage to store out of the way because we needed to get this place cleaned up.
We cleared off this entire shelf and most of it, I would say 60% of it is going to be decluttered. And they've decided to actually declutter this shelf too, because even in the new place, they don't want it. And if they stay here, they also don't want it anymore. So this is going. The printer is also going. I help
walk it. Let's kind of walk it towards us.
There, if we get there, just get it out of the rut that it's in. There. Let me see. Get out of the way.
Out of the way, lady. Out of the way, lady.
Please. Someone will call me out and say, "You're so mean."
Don't be so mean to your mom.
Don't be so mean.
It's okay.
Oh my gosh, so funny.
We need those discs.
I should have been an army sergeant. Go away.
Add another one. Lay on its side.
No. The movers, the sliders. The sliders.
That's what I was saying.
Where's the sliders?
I'll go get some.
Those sliders are a lifesaver. You just put them under the furniture and you can move almost anything. We had to wait till a little bit later to take all this furniture downstairs for Grant to get here. But once he got there, we were able to take this desk you see right here, the file cabinet, and that huge shelf downstairs to be decluttered. It's currently 5 p.m. We've been doing this since probably around 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 4, maybe 4.5 hours of decluttering and moving furniture. So everyone's getting a little tired now. This file cabinet, we're trying to get out of here, and it was wedged so hard in the corner that we had to move the desk, and then we had to take the top down, and just so many things. But it's moving along. So I'm going to use my sliders that I love and see if we can get this moved. This desk that you see here on the left side, that ended up being taken downstairs as well. At first we were going to keep it up here, but then we realized it would look way better and more spacious in this room to have it out of here. So I just moved it out of the way and then wiped down the walls and cleaned up as much as I could before painting. Back again for another day, going to spackle and then paint, and hopefully it will look 100 times better. Now that the art is gone, you can really see how dirty the walls are from where dirt and dust just gathered around the corners of the art. And my mom mentioned that this room has never been painted since they moved in about 35 years ago, which is absolutely crazy, but it makes sense because the walls were all covered. So really it didn't even matter. But now that everything is off, we had to make this room look better than this. We are going to be doing this all day. For some reason, I always think things are going to go way faster than they can. And I thought that about this painting project as well. Painting in the dark. We've unplugged all the lights.
So we have, I can put the light on, don't you think?
Well, we have to plug it in.
I can plug it in. There's the light and there's the plug.
Okay.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy, matey. I think we're about a quarter done, maybe, with this room. We got a ways to go.
Okay, I'm gonna do down here around the...
It took us a few hours to do the initial coat. Then we left to get some supplies and things, came back and did one more coat of paint way later after it had dried, and it was covered really well at that point. Here, take this.
Get down on it. Okay, now.
Here, throw this way. If you ever change these plates out, do not over tighten them. They'll just crack.
Oh.
So the whole goal of redoing this room is to stage not only this room, but the entire house for being sold. And the realtors told us that less is more, as we all know from this channel, that things look better when you don't have a lot of clutter. We ended up taking some things from around the house, like the painting of the boat, this faux tree here, some books, and a mirror that was being used in a different room. We took the rug from downstairs and a chair from my room in my office at home. And you can see here the before of what this looked like and how cluttered it looked. And here is the after. The goal was to make it look styled, but also spacious and clutter-free. And I do feel that we accomplished that. And it just looks amazing in this room now.
That was a lot of work. It was from morning to night.
Yes, till 9 p.m. last night or something, 8 p.m. We got rid of a huge shelf.
Drawer file cabinet that's heavy oak. This furniture was really all so heavy.
Yeah, and a desk that was here. I'm amazed by how much you got rid of. Absolutely.
I know.
Shocking.
Yeah. And it's another opportunity for him to get rid of things he sees he's not using or didn't even know he had.
I want to say thank you so much for joining us on this project. And we're going to continue on with these videos.
I know, room by room.
If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button to join us for more videos, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.